So yes, I got all four of these figures. I ordered them on Amazon. These two were in this big box. Hex was in that plastic bubble wrap packaging, and Captain Plasma was in the box. She was the last one to get. I got all three of these guys on the same day. I I got these three on Friday, and I got her Saturday. I wasn't here, but I called Mom, and she let me know. So yes, all four of these are ordered at Amazon. I go into unboxing. But I gotta read all three of these, their bios. I'm gonna read the ben10 figures. You know what? I'm just going to open them. I'll read their bios later when the review comes. That's all. Right. Hex comes with a magic staff. Finally, another villain for my ben10 collection. And this one is Hex. Now we have another villain, Hotspot. One of Kevin Levin's aliens. And I have Bashmouth now. And yes, on the back he has a bio that I will read when we do the review. It's because the camera's been acting a little bit weird. I tried to do a big unboxing review, but it kept turning off. His fire effects could fit in his hands very well. Very good figure.